Alrighty. Alright, hey guys, so today I'm going to be this video is just, I cannot talk today for my life. So this video is about this look right here, Prom 2018. This is just a good look. It is super neutral, it can go with any dress, and you can obviously change out the lip color for whatever you would like, because as I said, this eyeshadow look goes with really anything. So like and subscribe if you like this. And let's get into the... This is how I feel today. Alright, like and subscribe if you like this, and then let's get into the video. Alright, hello my lovelies. So, I'm first going to start off with my NARS Pore and Shine primer. Just to prime out my face. You don't want to be oily. Well, I mean, I don't know. I personally know I don't want to be oily when I am taking pictures all day and kind of have to look nice all day. And this primer really keeps the oil from coming through. Well, it really works for me. And then I'm going to be taking my POREFESSIONAL by Benefit and just putting this under my eyes and just kind of patting it in to where I have larger pores, because your face want to be flawless for prom. And then I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the color 310 Sun Beige. This foundation stays on, it says it can stay on for 24 hours. And if you're dancing and hot and sweaty, you're gonna want your makeup on. I'm just gonna paint this all over my face. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend it all out. Alright, and then I'm going to take my Revolution Concealer and Conceal and Defy in the color C9. And I'm going to put this under my eyes in a triangle-like shape. And then on my nose, my forehead, and then right here. I'm going to take my Baby Beauty Blender and blend this all out. My hand hurts from blending. Alright, and since this is a tutorial for prom, I am going to bake my face. I got new baking powder and I love it. It's the RCMA translucent powder. I don't know if you can see that. It's so nice. It is very, not moisturizing, because I know a powder can't really be moisturizing. But I dig it. I really recommend it. I got it from Amazon. So then I'm going to take my Morphe Y11 brush and just set my under eye first. Because you want your prom makeup to be bulletproof, sweat-proof, everything proof. So it stays on all day. And looks good for pictures. So I'm just tapping this everywhere. And then I always get forehead wrinkles because I lift my eyebrows a lot, so I'm going to take my beauty blender and re-pat where I put my concealer. And then powder it up there. I'm not going to bake my forehead, I'm just going to bake my, actually, I don't know, that might be a good idea if, okay. Everything is set, and now time for the baking. So I poured a bunch of powder in my cap, and I'm going to take my damp beauty blender that I was just using to put my foundation on. I'm just going to load this bad boy up. Alright, so while this, oh, I look crazy. While this is setting, or baking, I'm gonna go into my eyes. After all this searching, I found it! Okay, so I'm going to take my Morphe eyelid primer, and I just put this on my fingers. Oops. I put a little bit on my finger like that, and I put it on my eyelid. Alright, so I'm going to go into my Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen palette by Tarte. I love this palette. I'm going to go into the colors Sweet Tea, which is right here. I'm going to go into the color Sweet Tea and then Dog Man. And that is just going to be my base color. And this color I kind of just put everywhere. I really focus it kind of up towards the brow bone. It's just going to be my middle shade, so it helps just put a color on. And I'm kind of doing a more bronzy, neutral makeup look because that can go with so many dresses. I'm going to do it on the next side, and I'm using circular motions but also wiping motions because for your crease color you don't want it to be too bold. You really want to be able to blend it out. And I just let my baking powder sit on until I am done with my eyes, but you can have it on for as long as you would like. So once I get this shade down, I'm going to go into my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. And I'm going to be going into the color Red Ochre right here. And this color I'm going to be putting in my crease. I'm going to be using my Morphe Y15 brush. It's a good brush for colors in your crease that you really want to focus in there. So I'm going to take a little and then tap off my brush because you don't want to get too much on all at once. And I'm going to put this more towards the outer of my eye and then work slowly into the middle. I'm so excited for Prom. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the other eye and do the exact same thing. Alright, so after this, I'm going to take my Morphe Y19 brush, which is another brush for your crease. I'm going to go in with Cypress Umber, which is this brown color right here. And I'm going to really focus this in on the crease. Let me cap this off. And just be very gentle with it because I don't want to have black eyes. And I just kind of put it on in circular motions with a light hand. Alright, so now I'm going to take my pigment primer and kind of cut out my crease for the glitter. That's where we're going to be applying. And I'm just going to take this small flat brush, put tiny size amount of the pigment on because a lot can go a long way. And I'm just going to carve out my crease. So I just start at when I open my eyes, where that line is, that's where I start carving out my crease because that's where my crease is. Which is a good rule of thumb for everyone. When you open your eye and wherever that crease is, that's your crease. And then I'm going to go in and do this to the other eye. And then when I have the desired cut crease look that I want, I'm going to take my Shimmer Down Pigment by NYX in the color SDP04. This is just like a really pretty gold bronze shimmer, and I'm going to take the same brush that I put the pigment on with, put a bunch of glitter on it, and then pack it on my eyelids where I put the pigment at. Like, isn't that so pretty? And I'm going to go in and do the exact same thing to the other eye. And then after I got the glitter on, I'm going to go back in with my Y19 brush and back in with the color Cypress Umber. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Smashbox Superfan Mascara. I know it's a little baby, but it's my favorite mascara right now. I'm just going to put a coat on my lashes. We can dust away our baking. And then I'm going to go in with my little baby beauty blender and kind of clean up the edges of my eyeshadow. Okay, so I took the color Dogman in this brush and I'm just putting it under my lash line. I just feel like putting eyeshadow under your lower lash line. It's so pretty. And it just really makes your eyes like pop, which is totally what you want. And you're gonna be looking fab. And then I'm going to go back into my Modern Renaissance palette and take the color Red Ochre and put it towards the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so I'm going to take my NARS Laguna bronzer and my Target brush that doesn't have a name. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my Too Faced bronzer. And I'm going to take my Morphe Y8 brush. It's a perfect contouring brush. It's like a little skinny guy. And then another place I've been recently contouring is under my chin. Just like really lightly because you don't want to get an ugly makeup line. And then bringing it up right here. Alright, next I'm going to take my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer and my big fluffy oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Okay. And my big fluffy brush. And just put this everywhere. And then for blush, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Berry Mary blush. I love e.l.f. products because they're so cheap, but good. And then I'm gonna smile and focus this towards the back. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with my Mary Luminizer highlighter because it's my fave. And I'm gonna use this to highlight. And I always just put it at the top of my cheekbones, but you can put it wherever you want to get that highlighting effect. And I'm going to take my little angled brush and contour my nose with my NARS Laguna bronzer. And I just go up the side of my nose. I don't really go that much more inwards. I just kind of go where my nose naturally starts to fall down. Alright, and then after I get the desired contour of my nose, I'm going to go back in with my highlighting brush and just dust this on the tip of my nose and then right kind of in between. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender again. I don't actually know if I'm going to do this. Actually, yeah, I will. I'm going to go back into the powder that I baked with and I'm going to carve out my, I'm going to clean up my contour because it's a little crazy. This is definitely my least favorite part because I always feel like I'm gonna accidentally mess up my contour because I'm gonna take too much off. Steady, slow and steady. Yay! Didn't mess up. Alright, so I just did my eyebrows. I would have done them on camera, but that was taking too long. So did my eyebrows. And now I'm going to put on my eyelashes. I've kind of experimented with different eyelashes for prom and I am not a fan of, if you're doing really bold, pretty eye makeup. You don't want super big lashes that cover it up, and I've made that mistake so many times, and it's too much almost. So of course I'm sticking to my fave lashes, the Ardell Wispies, and they always work. They're not too much. You can still see your eye makeup, but you can still see you have some lashes. Okay, so while my last eyelash is drying, I always try to think of something I can do while my eyelashes are drying. I'm going to wipe this off because I don't want to leave it on too long where I look like Frosty the Snowman. Voila! I got this new super cute basket from Target to put all my makeup in because I don't want to spend so much money on a makeup organizer. It's probably the worst idea I've ever had in my life, having all my makeup in one huge bin. It takes me like 5 minutes to find something, but the basket's super cute, so I guess I'll deal with it. So I'm using my Ready Set Brow by European Wax Center, my fave, because it doesn't make your eyebrows crunchy or anything. See, aren't these lashes nice? Like, you can see that I have eyelashes, but you can also see my eye makeup, which is what I live for. I'm going to take this little brush and I'm going to dip it into the highlighter and just put it under my brow bone. I always get it in my eyebrow. No biggie. And then I'm going to put some in my corner of my eye. Alright, and then I'm going to take my eyelash curler just to really confirm that my eyelashes will be staying on all day, because if you're going to prom, you're going to need them on all day. And then I'm going to take my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Superstar eyeliner in black. And I'm just going to do a thin line. And then for this makeup look, I'm going to do a little wing. It's going to be a little baby one, not something crazy. But a little baby. And then I'm going to take my Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. Put a coat on top. And then my bottom lashes. Alright, and then I'm going to do the same for this eye. Oh, this is not my day today. Alright, so I'm going to be taking the color Deeper and Matte Lipstick as well. And then if you like this, you can stop here, but lately I have been so into glossy lips. Right, so I'm taking my ColourPop gloss in the color Aquarius, and it's just like this pretty pink gloss. And then of course, to finish everything off, I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. You're going to want this bad boy if you're going to prom, or any dance, or anything, because it keeps your makeup on for real. And then just to ensure everything stays, I'm taking my beauty blender and just patting everything in. Alright, and this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed.